Welcome to this video. This may be an important video for you. I will be showing you how to build a serious online business that can make 5 figures a month. Make sure to watch the full video. 1. Determine your niche and target audience. 2. Conduct market research to validate demand for your product or service. 3. Develop a unique value proposition. 4. Create a business plan outlining your goals, strategies, and budget. 5. Choose a memorable and relevant brand name to your niche. 6. Register a domain name and set up a website hosted on a reliable server. 7. Craft compelling and informative content for your website. 8. Optimize your website for search engines to increase organic traffic. 9. Build a social media presence on platforms relevant to your target audience. 10. Develop a lead generation strategy to capture potential customers' information. 11. Create a sales funnel to guide customers towards purchasing your product or service. 12. Offer incentives to encourage sign-ups and loyalty. 13. Launch paid advertising campaigns to reach your target audience. 14. Build an email list and regularly send out newsletters to keep customers engaged. 15. Implement e-commerce capabilities through a secure payment gateway. 16. Develop a product or service that can be scaled to handle increased demand. 17. Monitor analytics to track website performance and adjust your strategies accordingly. 18. Hire employees or freelancers as needed to support growth. 19. Implement customer service processes to ensure customer satisfaction. 20. Continuously innovate and improve your product or service to stay competitive. Now that you have a comprehensive list of steps to follow, remember that building an online business takes time and effort. But with dedication and perseverance, you too can create a successful business and make money online. Thanks for watching.